Everyone, it's Nate here with Outside Cleaners on Cape Cod, Massachusetts. Today I'm enjoying some time on the wooded trail here at Fort Hill in Eastham. It is one of my favorite spots in the area, especially this time of year. Question from a prospective customer earlier in the week as we walked around her Cedar home. She kind of looked up at the siding and says, "Why does all this stuff grow on her home?" And, she's new to the area, new to Cedar homes, and it's a fair question. So I thought I'd answer that question to everyone here visually, because as I look around, I say half jokingly, we've got the perfect environment to grow moss, algae, mold, and lichen. Really, our damp seaside environment, the ever-present moisture, it makes for a perfect situation for all this stuff. So look around on this tree here. We've got no shortage of all types of lichens. Behind me here on the stump, that's a moss farm. Over here on the bench, we've got algae. So why does that stuff grow on our homes? Well, because we leave our homes outside, and nature's just doing what nature does. So if you have a cedar home in the area that's becoming afflicted with moss or algae or mold or lichen, doesn't mean something's necessarily wrong, just means nature is doing what it does if we let it. Now, when it comes to the exterior surfaces of our homes, that stuff isn't just unsightly. A lot of it is damaging to those surfaces, so it is worth addressing in a responsible manner. And that's what I do. So if you've got a cedar home in the Mid-Cape area and you want to keep it looking its best for as long as it can, give me a buzz. I'm Nate with Outside Cleaners. Thank you.